Hello, I got this off of Amazon, and as you can see, it looks like a speaker. It is a Bluetooth speaker, so I do have it connected to my phone. I'll go ahead. I have the lights on here, but you can short press this little button right here to turn the lights on and off if you want. And I'll just go ahead and show you how to use this part of it. You do charge it up, and once it's charged, it will run for 20 hours. It comes with some cables here, some auxiliary ports, so that you can plug it in to the speaker and to anywhere else that has an auxiliary cable port. And then you've got your USB port that you can plug this right in to charge it up. It also has a memory card slot so that you can take any music that's downloaded onto any memory card and stick it in there. So, moving on up to here. You will long press to turn it off, and then long press to turn it back on. And I'll double check to make sure that it's still paired. Yep, sounds like it is. So whenever I'm wanting to go ahead and play a song, I'll go ahead and short press that button. And you can, the sound comes from this part right here. So you can short press to pause the song. You can long press it to, oh, turn it off. I know I just did that. Never mind. I got ahead of myself there. So I'll turn it back on. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and play the song. And then you can turn the volume all the way up, turn it down. If you want to skip to the song, you long press the volume up. If you want to skip back the song, you long press, well, I don't pay for Spotify, so can't skip back. But, yeah, so there is, oh yeah, and if you get a phone call, you can answer the phone call straight from here. You just press the button on and off. It does come with a manual so that you can, learn all the different ins and outs of it. It is waterproof, so that you can be rest assured that, wherever you're listening to it, it won't get damaged. So I will demonstrate it as well as in the dark. You can hear the music's on. I'm gonna turn the water on. You can see that it's still working, and the music is playing. So if you're at the pool or anything like that, the lake, whatever, ocean, you can listen to music. So it's really nice. And now you can see the light off, what it looks like to have the lights. So it's got a fun little colorful effect to it. So yeah, I recommend this for anyone looking for a Bluetooth speaker.